Hi everyone, very good morning. I am Najma Sharif. I am a career and communication expert. And today I am here to discuss how communication barriers can hold you back. So, the topic of discussion today is do not let any communication barriers hold you back in succeeding in your careers. So, how can we display a good communication skills to get ahead with our career? So, we are here to discuss few of the things, and I'll let you know the secrets behind enhancing your communication, and so is to how you can elevate your career with just being clear and concise communication, putting your thoughts and ideas without any hesitation or fear of being judged. uh, and if you stay until the end of this video, you will get to know very aptly described strategies which you can implement right away in your career and get ahead with your career goals. So let's quickly get into the subject of today. So now, just imagine this: you're in a meeting and you have a brilliant idea. It could change the game for your team. And what happens is, as the discussion unfolds, all your voice get drowned by the louder other confident colleagues who are speaking very loudly, or they are making an impact. They are not hesitating and they have that confidence level, and you hesitate to speak out yourself and your ideas remain unspoken. And someone, you know else suggests something similar a week later, and they get all the credit, and you have been laid back and you think that this was my idea initially. Hope if I would put up to the right managers, and then I would have got ahead in my career right now. So is this sound familiar to you? So worry not, you're not alone. So today we are diving into why communication barriers hold professionals back, and how they can break free into achieving the career you deserve. Let me tell you a story. There is this person who is his name is Arjun. He's a brilliant software engineer with innovative solutions. But every time his manager asks him for updates, he mumbles, jumbles, avoids eye contacts, and rushes through his points. Fast forward 6 months later, what happens? His colleague, who is not as skilled as Arjun but is confident, and he articulates all his ideas, putting across to the right person, and he get promoted. So Arjun still the same in the same role, frustrated and wondering why not me, why the promotion is not coming to my kitty, or why am I not getting promoted, why I'm not getting the recognition. So Arjun's story is all too common in the corporate world, where confidence and clarity is in communication often outweighs raw talent. As the saying goes by George Bernard Shaw, the single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place. So, until unless you speak for yourself, nobody is going to give you the credit for your work. So, think of a communication barrier as a cage. Your potential is the bird inside. The cage is made up of self doubt, unclear messages, fear of judgment, and lack of preparation. The question is, how do you open that cage? So, I'll give you the key learning and practicing effective communication skills. As Warren Buffett once said, the most important investment you can make in yourself is in yourself. And guess what? Mastering communication is one of the highest ROI investments you will ever make. Okay, so let's break it down. Here's how you can break free. So, first thing first, practice active listening. So, why am I telling you have to speak for yourself? You have to speak out your ideas and thoughts. But here, the first practice is active listening. What is listening as compared to speaking? So, now when we listen, we understand. First thing, how the words are spoken up. So now listen to understand, not just reply. This builds connections instantly. Then structure your thoughts. Ever heard of the sandwich method? Start strong, elaborate briefly, and then end powerfully. So how you should do? First, you should start strong. You should elaborate it, keep it brief, and then end it powerfully. So now, additionally, you have to also learn the non-verbal cues, your tone, your posture, your facial expressions, which also include your eye contact. Say more than the words ever could. And here's the game changer: get feedback. You can't improve what you can't see. Right, you agree with this. Now let me share something from my own journey. Years ago, I was like Arjun. My ideas were good, but I lacked the confidence to present them effectively. Then I realized I needed to change, and I started working on my communication skills. Guess what? The next time I presented an idea, it not only got approved, but my manager called it revolutionary. That was the turning point of my career. So this transformation is possible for you too. That is why I created the program called Career Breakthrough Program, a step by step guide to mastering communication skills and achieving the career goals which you desire. So, remember what Richard Branson said: communication is the most important skill any leader can possess. If you're looking for a leadership role, a managerial role where your core responsibility is to handle a team, then you should master this skill at the earliest. The communication skills, and also with active listening skills. So whether you are a leader now or aspire to be one, this skill uh, will make you the leader and take you to places. Means even you can get promoted not just within the country, even abroad. If the Arjun story has turned you around, now it is time to break free of that cage and let your career soar. So here's my challenge to you: don't let communication barriers hold you back. Your ideas deserve to be heard, and your career deserves to grow. Take the first step, join my Career Breakthrough program today, and let's work together to unlock your full potential. Now, I am doing a masterclass on this in the upcoming week. If you just comment Thrive, then we will send you a link, and we can get connected further, and I will provide you the further details. And I have transformed millions of life altogether until now with my 14 years of corporate experience, and the next person can be you. If you think that you deserve that uh, career enhancement and you deserve to be a leader, then what are you waiting for? Come, let's join hands with me, and let both help each other to grow in career. And see you in my masterclass. Just comment as Thrive, and see you there. Like, share, and subscribe my video, and see you in the next time around. Have a blessed day. Thank you.